Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Burt's Bees Intense Hydration Night Cream Moisturizing Night Lotion 1.8 ounces. This is a nice daily face lotion that holds in moisture and keeps your skin feeling smooth and soft for the entire day. This lotion is thick enough to moisturize my skin but does not feel greasy and is fine to wear under my makeup without getting too oily looking. This product is amazing. It feels a little thick, almost greasy when first applying it, but it goes on smooth and creamy and light. However, it isn't greasy at all and you can't even tell that there's any weight from the product on your face. It has a cooling and refreshing feeling when applied, not like the minty feeling but more like splashing cool water on your face after a long day out. It is very thick but your skin soaks it all up and it's not greasy, which some night creams tend to feel. Also, my children are African American and their cheeks dry out badly and need moisturizer on them 2 or 3 times per day. This is a very heavy night cream, although it's fairly runny and not thick like the Nivea that comes in a blue pot. However, that isn't so much an issue with the lotion as me not knowing my own skin and purchasing this before having established my skincare routine. My routine is to dampen my face, massage in the BB cream cleanser and place a hot wet face cloth over my face and gently wipe with the cleanser. It leaves my skin baby soft with zero residue. It does contain glycerin, which is fine for my skin. Dry skin cleansers, oil cleansers with mineral oil make me break out. It absorbs relatively fast, but you need to make sure you don't put on more than a finger pad's worth. Perfect for my acne prone, sensitive, rosacea style skin. Keeps me soft all day and never clogs my pores or anything. My only con is that it scored a 4 on the UK Skin Deep database, which is not the best score but not the worst. A little really does go a long way with this product, so don't be put off by how small the bottle is. This cream cleanser is one of the few products that won't make my skin break out and look like a teenager all over again. Works well for dry face. The natural beeswax blend helps keep skin moist and hydrated overnight or in cold weather. It is lightweight but it keeps my skin feeling moist all day long, and at age 77 that is nothing short of a miracle. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.